everyone. Let's learn how to find the fourth power of a number by using Vedic mathematics. See, if I ask you to find the fourth power of a number using conventional method, you will be doing this way, right? You can see so much calculation is involved. But here in Vedic mathematics, you have a simple rule. You can see here, let's say AB represents any two-digit number, okay? And you have to just write the number in this pattern, and then you have to add everything. So this pattern is very easy to memorize. You can see that the first number is A here, so you have to write A power 4, right? And then you can see it's reducing. Then you have A power 3, then A power 2, then A, and then A is not there at all, right? Similarly with B, in the first term B is not there, and then B power 1, B power 2, B power 3, and then B power 4. So this pattern is very easy to recognize. And then you have to write down 4 in the second term, 6 in the third term, and then 4 again in the fourth term, right? So it's not difficult to memorize this. Now let's see how do we apply this here to calculate the fourth power of 24. Okay, so this first number here is 2, right? So what you will do, 2 power 4, correct? Plus, then you have to write 4 multiply. Now the 2 power 4 decreases, right? So 2 power 3, and we introduce the second digit, which is 4, correct? So whatever is here, same thing I have copied here. Next you have to write 6. So 6 multiply. Now you have 2 power 3, so 2 power 2, and this is B, right? So this increases. So you have 4 power 2 here. Plus, now again you have to copy 4 here, and 2 power 2 will decrease, right? So you get 2 here and 4 power 3. So the power of A is decreasing and the power of B is increasing, right? Now the last one is 4 power 4. Now here 2 power 4 is 16, right? You all know how to calculate, right? 2 power 4 means 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, and 4 into 4 is 16. So that's how we got 16, right? Now similarly, let's calculate rest of the numbers. So here 4 4s are 16, and 2 cube is 8, right? Now 16 into 8 gives you 128. Plus, now here you have 6, 2 power 2 is 4, and 4 power 2 is 16. So 16 into 4 gives you 64, and 64 multiply 6 gives you 4 6 are 24, 6 6 are 36, and 2 38. So you get 384. And here 4 cube is 64, and 2 4s are 8. So you get 512. 512, and 4 power 4 is 256. Now you have to add all these numbers, right? So what we can do is just copy this ones place digit in your final answer, and the rest of the digits will carry forward here. So this will be 7 3 5. So copy 7 in the answer, and rest 53 will be carry forward. So you will get 7 3 balance 1 4. So 7 you will copy here, and 43 will carry forward here. So you get 1 7 1. So 1 you have to copy here, and 17 will go here. So 3 and 3. So 3 3 1 7 7 6 is your final answer. You can see that here the calculation is not tough, so the chances of making error is very less. Okay. So I hope you have understood this concept. Let's try just one more question. So let's find the fourth power of 16. So here your A will be 1 and B will be 6, right? So first we have to write down these digits in this pattern. So always remember, the first digit, the power of the first digit decreases and the power of the second digit increases. Okay, so first is A power 4, so it means we have to write down 1 power 4. Plus 4 multiply, you have 4 here, so 4 multiply 1 power 3, the power is decreasing, and now we introduce the second digit, which is 6. Okay, now next you have 6 here, so write 6, 6 multiply 1 power 2 multiplies 6 power 2. So you can see that 1 power 3 is reducing, it became 1 power 2, and here it was 6, but here it is 6 power 2. Okay, plus now next you have 4, so 4 multiply 1 multiplies 6 power 3 plus 6 power 4. Now 1 power 4 is 1, and here 4 6 are 24. Here 6 square is 36. 36 multiplies 6 is 216. Here 6 cube is 216. 216 multiplied 4 gives you 4 6 are 24. 4 1s are 4. 5 6. 2 4s are 8. So 864. And 6 power 4 is how much? We know that 6 cube is 216, right? Multiply this with 6. So 6 6 are 36. 6 1 is 6. 7 8 9. 2 6 are 12. So 1296. 1296. Alright. Now you know that in the final answer we just write down the ones digit. So you will copy 6 in the answer, and remaining these 3 digits you will carry forward here. So you will get 3 and 1, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 9. So 993. So only 3 you copy here, and rest 99 you have to add here. So this will be 9 plus 6 is 15, 9, 10, 11, 3. So 5 you have to copy here. This 31 goes here. So you get 5 and 5. So 5 you copy here, and this 5 goes here. So this becomes 6. So 65536 is your final answer. So you can see that this method is very simple because not a lot of calculation is involved. Only you have to just memorize this pattern. So that's it for today. I hope you like this trick. These are a few practice questions. Practice them and master this trick. So see you very soon with few more interesting tricks. Until then, goodbye. Take care.